on Vantourist video blog channel. I'm in Italy, on the Sicily sunny island. And behind me you can see the campervan I rent from the Indie Campers company, which makes their own van conversions and rent it around the Europe. And I was really impressed what they did with such small space. Believe me or not, this van could seat 4 people for driving, 4 people for eating and 4 people for sleeping. Also, it has a shower, toilet and the kitchen inside, and some space for storage. So I decided to show you around all the features you could find in this van. Conversion based on the new Fiat Ducato platform. This 2-liter diesel engine, it drives pretty well, both on the highways and in the cities. Only problems you could have in the very tight Italian cities, because this van is about 2 meters wide. The exterior styling blends pretty well in the city or in the nature, and it's not obvious that it's some kind of RV. But if you want some more crazy fun styling, the Indie Campers have options for you. Let's go inside. In the cabin is not much to see, the standard Fiat Ducato cabin area, but it has all you need. Charging ports, AC, aftermarket, media player and a very nice holder for your devices like tablet or smartphone for navigation. The main change in the cabin area is the swivel seats. Both driver and passenger seat could be turned to the living area. And with a table that's located on top of the cabin area and could be very easily mounted between the seats, this van could easily seat 4 people for coffee, breakfast or board games. If you remove cover from the passenger seat, you could find a 50 liters water tank and a 100 amp battery inside, with all electrical stuff and wiring. On top of the sitting area located pretty big storage with lock that prevents it opens while you're driving. And if you look even higher, you could find a vent with the mosquito net and manual opening mechanism. Very simple and effective, but sadly no fan here for additional ventilation. On the other side of the van you could find a kitchen with pretty big sink for this van size and a cold water tap. Also it has additional light and AC socket that works only on the campsites. Kitchen also have a pretty big storage for your food and other stuff. If you open door under the sink, you could find a water boiler with capacity about 10 liters that works only on shore power, ventilation for the fridge, 12-volt socket, AC socket and 2 switches for the interior lights. All other space under the kitchen taken by the small Dometic fridge. It takes not so much power, works very quietly all the time and stores a fair amount of food for a couple of days of living. And all the back area of the van taken by the 2 big beds. And by big I mean it. These beds are really very spacious and two people could easily sleep there. There is another vent, separate light for each of the bed, and USB ports for charging your phones. Behind passenger seats located shower/toilet area. It has a shower head with cold and hot water that works only on shore power, separate light and another ventilation. Shower cabin in such a small van, I was really impressed, and it works, I tried. For the privacy, this van has curtains for all the places you could imagine. There are curtains for the cabin side, curtain for side window, little curtains for the sliding door, and a small curtains for each of the bed. On the driver's side you will find the door for fill van with water and AC socket to connect van to the campsites, for AC sockets inside and hot water for the shower. Grey water tank located under the sliding door and could be emptied by turning red handle. Let's see how van interior looks from the back. Here you will find a very big space for storage under the bed and a hose with shower head to wash your outdoor stuff. Of course, from here you can access all the beds. Divider at the bottom compartment could be opened so you could fit very big stuff under the bed if you need to. With the van, indie campers provide you all the kitchen stuff that you need to survive. Coffee maker, pans, pots, silverware, cups and plates, cutting board, basically all the things you need to survive with comfort. Also, with the van you will get a very simple camping stove. It may look not so much, but with some fantasy and skill you could easily cook hundreds of meals on this simple stove. As you can see, this van conversion is not about luxury, it's about simplicity, functionality and adventure kind of lifestyle. In exchange for some luxury options, we get a very fair renting price. Thank you for watching, I hope you like this tour, leave a like and subscribe if you did, and see you in next videos.